Welcome all of you. Myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Mola Education Society's Mola Rowe Institute of Pharmacy, Sone. In this lecture, we discuss about the Introduction to Pharmaceutical Chemistry second learning outcome of today's lecture. After the completion of this lecture, the learner will able to understand what is meant by pharmaceutical chemistry second, study content in pharmaceutical chemistry second, what we will be learn in pharmaceutical chemistry second, how we will be learn pharmaceutical chemistry second. Content of today's lecture: Introduction of Pharmaceutical Chemistry second, Definition of Organic Chemistry, Types of Organic Compound, what we will be learn in Pharmaceutical Chemistry second, how we will be learn Pharmaceutical Chemistry second. First point is, what is meant by Pharmaceutical Chemistry second? So Pharmaceutical Chemistry second is a combination of organic chemistry and heterocyclic chemistry. In this first point is, what is meant by organic chemistry? The first point is organic compound. The organic compound, large class of chemical compound in which one or more atom of carbon are covalently linked to atom of other element, most commonly hydrogen, oxygen or nitrogen. Definition of organic chemistry. So it is a branch of chemistry that studies the structure, property, reaction of carbon containing molecule. The organic compound contain carbon in covalently bonding formation. The organic compound is also called as a hydrocarbon. Types of organic compound. The organic compound classified into two types. First is open chain. Second type is cyclic compound. Open chain further classified into two types. First is straight chain compound. Second type is branch chain compound. Cyclic compound classified into two types. First is homocyclic compound. Second type is heterocyclic compound. Homocyclic compound further classified into two types. First type is alicyclic compound and second type is aromatic compound. So types of organic compound in this first: aliphatic or cyclic or open chain compound. Definition: aliphatic compound is an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen joined together in straight chain, branch chain or non-aromatic ring. Example is ethanol. The structure of ethanol. In the structure of ethanol, carbon and hydrogen join together in straight chain, branch chain or non-aromatic ring formation. Aliphatic compound classified into two types. First is straight chain aliphatic compound. Second is branch chain aliphatic compound. First is straight chain aliphatic compound. Definition: aliphatic compound is an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen joined together in straight chain. Example is N-butane. The structure of N-butane in which carbon and hydrogen join together in straight chain formation. Second type is branch chain aliphatic compound. Definition: the aliphatic compound is an organic compound containing carbon and hydrogen joined together in the straight and branch chain formation. Example is isobutane. The structure of isobutane. In the structure of isobutane, carbon and hydrogen join together in the branch chain formation. Second class of organic compound is cyclic or closed chain compound. Definition: the cyclic hydrocarbon, the hydrocarbon in which the carbon chain join to itself in the ring formation. Example is cyclohexane and benzene. The structure of cyclohexane and benzene. In the structure of cyclohexane and benzene, the hydrocarbon, the carbon chain join to itself in the ring formation. Cyclic compound classified into two types. The first type is homocyclic compound. The homocyclic compound classified into two types. First is alicyclic compound. The alicyclic compound classified into two subclass. First subclass is saturated cyclic compound and second subclass is unsaturated cyclic compound. Second class of homocyclic compound is aromatic compound, and main second class of cyclic closed chain compound is heterocyclic compound. So first is homocyclic compound. In this subclass alicyclic compound, And next subclass of alicyclic compound is saturated cyclic compound. Definition: it is referred to cyclic hydrocarbon that only contain carbon atom in single bonded to other carbon atom. Whenever you see the compound comprised of all single bond, it's said to be saturated compound. Example is cyclohexane. The structure of cyclohexane. This structure of cyclohexane, the carbon join together in the single bond formation, so it is called as a saturated cyclic compound. Next is unsaturated cyclic compound. Definition: unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon with at least one double or triple bond between the carbon atom in the carbon chain ring form. Example: cyclohexane. The structure of cyclohexane. In this structure of cyclohexane, the ring contain one double bond between the carbon atom in the carbon chain ring formation. Second main subclass of homocyclic compound is aromatic unsaturated cyclic compound. Definition: the aromatic hydrocarbon are the unsaturated cyclic hydrocarbon with alternating single and double bond between the carbon atom. Example is benzene. In this structure of benzene, it contains single and double bond between the carbon atom. It is available in the alternating formation. Second main class of cyclic closed chain compound is heterocyclic compound. Definition: a heterocyclic compound or ring structure, a cyclic compound that has an atom of at least one or more different element as member of its ring, that means other than carbon and hydrogen. Other than carbon and hydrogen element is called as a heteroatom. Example of a heteroatom: oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, furan. That atom present in the ring, that ring is called as a heterocyclic ring. Example: pyrrole. In this 5-member ring contain nitrogen as a heteroatom. Next example: pyrazole. In this 5-member ring contain 2 nitrogen heteroatom, so it is an example of heterocyclic ring. Next point is what we will be learning in pharmaceutical chemistry second. The pharmaceutical chemistry second we learn definition, classification, nomenclature, numbering of organic chemical system with particular reference to heterocyclic ring system which contain up to 3-member ring. Next we study the chemistry of pharmaceutical organic compound covering their definition, chemical classification, nomenclature, chemical structure, important physical chemical property, uses, stability, storage condition, different types of pharmaceutical formulation and their brand name of following drug. That is drug used in chemotherapy, drug acting on CNS, drug acting on CVS, drug acting on blood and kidney, steroidal drug, diagnostic agent, hormones, vitamins and drug acting on autocolloid system. Next point is how we will be learn pharmaceutical chemistry second. So pharmaceutical chemistry second we learn by following way. In this first we start with definition and classification of medicinal compound. Then we discuss the monograph of medicinal compound by the following way. In this, name of drug, structure of medicinal compound, IUPAC name of medicinal compound, physical property of medicinal compound, storage and stability condition of medicinal compound, official preparation available in the market of medicinal compound, uses of medicinal compound and brand name of medicinal compound. In this way we learn the pharmaceutical chemistry second. So in this lecture we discuss about the definition of organic chemistry, types of organic compound, then what we will be learn in pharmaceutical chemistry second and how we will be learn the pharmaceutical chemistry second. Thank you.